Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you learn JavaScript easily for beginners. First, let's get you set up. Begin by understanding fundamental concepts such as variables and different data types. Next, you'll want to set up a comfortable development environment, which usually means installing a good code editor. Finally, start by practicing simple JavaScript code directly within your web browser's developer console. This hands-on approach is key to building a strong foundation. Now, let's dive into the core building blocks of JavaScript. You'll learn about control flow, which includes using if-else statements and various types of loops to manage your program's logic. Next, explore functions. These are essential for organizing your code and making it reusable. Finally, begin to grasp object-oriented programming basics by working with objects and arrays, which are fundamental data structures in JavaScript. Once you understand the fundamentals, it's time to make your web pages interactive. You'll discover how to interact with HTML elements directly using the Document Object Model, or DOM. This allows you to change content, styles, and structure. Then, learn to implement event listeners for various user interactions, such as clicks or keyboard input. This makes your web pages dynamic and responsive, providing a much richer user experience. To solidify your learning, it's crucial to keep practicing. Start by building small, personal projects to apply all your new JavaScript skills in practical scenarios. As you progress, you might want to explore popular frameworks and libraries, which can significantly enhance your development capabilities. Remember, continuous practice and regularly solving coding challenges are the best ways to master JavaScript and stay sharp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.